Ah, the Tumbler rolling knife sharpener. We're getting to know it so well. We're also getting to know a lot of comments about how they're doing their testing on the Edge-Up knife sharpener that's best certified incorrectly. Now, I contacted the manufacturer that makes this device to ask them if things were being done correctly when it comes to how you test your knife and the pressure used on the knife sharpener. They did confirm with me there is a one way to do it, not two ways or three ways, but one way, and that is slowly pressing down. Now, you'll see these guys tapping it, pushing quickly, rubbing it across the material. You don't do it that way. You don't tap it like that. Not how you do the test.
Something.
Did it again.
Wow.
So guys, the Tumbler, please do your tests correctly. I do like the product. I did a review on this, very controversial, approaching 100,000 views right now. And that is that this is a sharpener that works. You guys are doing tests, you're doing quick cuts, you're cutting the video, you're not doing the single cuts like you said you're doing. Please be honest and do the test correctly. I'm gonna show you how to do the test. I'd like to see you replicate it so we can really see the difference on this sharpener. You're supposed to place the tip of the knife in the fulcrum with the knife handle held up at an angle, then lower the handle very slowly, keeping the knife blade as close to vertical as possible. The slower you go, the better, and you should see the numbers advance. Now, there's a proper way to use this machine and an improper way to use this machine. What I see these guys doing is you'll see them put the knife on and they do this. A push like this. That is not the correct way to use this tester, nor is it to take it and slide it across the media. That is not a proper way to test as well. The proper way to test is to put this and you start slowly pushing down as the numbers start slowly going up, very slowly, keeping this perfectly perpendicular to the media and slowly putting pressure down. The slower the better, and then it cuts the media. In this case, we had a cut of 412. Now I can repeat this over and over again because I've done this in a previous video where you can see my Work Sharp pull-through tester video that talks about knife sharpening, and you'll see me doing a lot of testing with this device. But please, if you're going to use this device, use it correctly. You cannot go too slow. You can go too fast. You should not be taking this and pushing it down. You should not take it and sliding it, and you should not tap it. Make sure you guys do it correctly because we want to see how this thing really works. And quite frankly, I do think it works, but there's a lot of controversy about the way that you're testing. Let's get it fixed, guys, and be honest. Smoke out, baby!